Hi, this is Mary. We're going to be showing you the Coachmen. This is an outfitter, so if you are a bike rider, you've already got your racks right here ready to go. And this is a kind of an outdoorsy one. Hardcore, you'll look at these tires and you'll think, wow, it's pretty rugged. So very rugged, beefy tires in this one. This is an outfitter, so come on inside. You've got your bed right here. You've got your wardrobe little closets right there. This is a dinette that would easily fit 6 people, but 4 people comfortably. Little kids maybe could fit in there. And you're camping, I mean, if you want to have a bed here and an air mattress here, you know, you're camping so you could do whatever. But there's a lot of space in the bathroom to store more things. There's space right here underneath that. And then this has a ton of space back here. Look how much you could fit like a child in there. This is a little bunk. No. And then you've got your shower with your curtain right here, and you've got a skylight. So it's nice and airy in here. It doesn't feel like it's cramped or anything, even though this is a small trailer. So, yeah, please give me a call if you have any questions, if you'd like to have some fun adventures in this unit. My name is Mary, 406-850-4590. Thank you.